Hey friends, welcome back to the Healing Bite. Ever wished you could bottle that crystal clear vision from your 20s? What if I told you the secret to brighter, healthier eyes could be hiding in your fridge? Today, we're diving into an incredible juice recipe packed with nutrients for your precious peepers. Get ready to unlock the power of carrots and beets, a delicious, easy-to-make blend that supports your eyesight and boosts your overall well-being. Let's get juicing. Let's start with the superstar of this juice, the mighty carrot. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A crucial for maintaining sharp, clear vision. Beta-carotene gets converted into retinol, essential for your retinas to function properly. Carrots also pack a powerful antioxidant punch with lutein, which acts like a natural sunblock for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light. That means less eye strain, reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, and healthier vision for years to come. Next up, we have beets, the vibrant red root vegetable that's about to rock your world. Beets are like the ultimate delivery system for your eyes, thanks to their impressive nitrate content. Nitrates convert into nitric oxide, improving blood circulation, including to the tiny capillaries that supply your eyes with oxygen and nutrients. Beets are bursting with vitamin C and betalains, powerful antioxidants that protect the delicate tissues in your eyes from oxidative damage. So not only do beets help deliver essential nutrients to your eyes, but they also act as their personal bodyguards, shielding them from harm. Ready to whip up this vision-enhancing juice? Here's what you'll need. 2 medium carrots, 1 medium beet, and half a cup of water. First, give those carrots and beets a good scrub under running water. Chop your carrots and beets into smaller pieces to make your blender's job easier. Toss the veggies into your blender, add your half cup of water and blend until smooth. For a clearer juice, strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. Alright, let's get blending, and for that extra zing, don't forget to add a splash of lemon juice. Adjust the ingredient amounts to your liking. Add an extra carrot for sweetness or more beet for an earthy flavor. Congratulations, you've just created a glass of pure, eye-boosting goodness. For maximum nutrient absorption, drink your juice immediately. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. By making this juice a regular part of your routine, you might notice clearer, sharper vision and reduced eye strain. Remember the immune-boosting power of vitamins A and C? This juice has them in spades, helping your body fight off infections and reduce inflammation. Beta-carotene from carrots improves skin tone, reduces signs of aging, and protects your skin from sun damage. This juice can also boost your energy levels, improve digestion, support heart health, detoxify your body, and enhance brain function. Customize this juice by adding other health-boosting ingredients like turmeric, ginger, black pepper, or chia seeds. Small, consistent changes can make a world of difference. Grab those carrots and beets, and start juicing your way to a healthier, more vibrant you. Check out the link in the description for top-quality vitamins and supplements to complement your journey to crystal clear vision. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant,